Now, the Enforcement Directorate has leveled a big charge of FCRA violations against the Aam Aadmi Party. AAP has been accused of receiving close to about 7 crore foreign funds against FCRA norms and manipulating the identities of donors. AAP MLA Durgesh Pathak has also been accused of siphoning off funds from Canada. The Enforcement Directorate wrote to MHA saying AAP received funding from people across 8 countries, adding that the details show multiple donors using the same credentials. The party allegedly amassed funds through campaigns in the US and Canada. The probe agency has claimed that 155 people who donated 404 times used the same passport. 201 people who donated 639 times used the same email ID, and 71 donors used the same mobile number. The total amount collected through these donations was 4 crores 68 lakh rupees. Aam Aadmi Party allegedly received foreign donations from US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Kuwait and Oman. Meanwhile, Delhi Minister Atishi has rubbished the charges levelled against the Aam Aadmi Party, saying it's a BJP conspiracy, as they fear the people of Punjab and Delhi will stand with Kejriwal because he fulfilled his poll promises.
मैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी को यह भी बताना चाहती हूं कि आप रोज रोज हम पे झूठे आरोप लगा लीजिए, लेकिन दिल्ली की जनता, पंजाब की जनता इन झूठे आरोपों का जवाब देगी। जो आज आरोप लगाए जा रहे हैं, ये पता नहीं कहां से भूले बिसरे आरोप लेके आए हैं। ये कई साल पुराना मैटर है, जिसमें आम आदमी पार्टी ईडी को, सीबीआई को, एमएचए को, इलेक्शन कमीशन को पहले ही जवाब दे चुकी है।
अरे केजरीवाल जी, अभी तो सिर्फ शराब घोटाले की जांच हुई है, 7 घोटालों की जांच बाकी है, 7 घोटालों की जांच बाकी। एक केजरीवाल की सरकार 3G सरकार है। पहला जी है घोटालों का, दूसरा है घूसखोरी का और तीसरा है घपलेबाजी का। ये केजरीवाल ने कट्टर ईमानदार बताने वाले आज कट्टर बेईमानी के रास्ते पे चल गए हैं।
इनको वोट के खातिर देश के साथ कॉम्प्रोमाइज करने में कोई तकलीफ नहीं है। ये राष्ट्रद्रोही काम एक बार थोड़ी ना लगा है। टेररिस्टों का पैसा इनको मिला पंजाब में, एक नहीं कई आरोप लगे। क्या ही जवाब देते हैं ये?
My colleague Ashutosh is now joining us for more on this. Ashutosh, trouble seems to be mounting for Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party, especially now with the Enforcement Directorate writing to the MHA concerning illegal foreign funds that were received by the party.
Well, the very interesting, the details that have been sent by the Enforcement Directorate to the MHA, the probe agency and the nodal probe agency in the FCRA violation case is actually the CBI. Remember, this is a matter of 10 years, this case pertaining 10 years old. And 2014, since all, there have been already made complaint to the Ministry of Home Affairs. And in 2015, February, one petition was even filed in Delhi High Court seeking a probe in the Aam Aadmi Party's foreign funding violation of FCRA. And I remember it was Wednesday and it was 18th or 17th of February 2015. It was the center government that had informed Delhi High Court that they have probed the foreign funding allegation of the Aam Aadmi Party and they found nothing in violation of those funding. So everything is on record because we have been covering every details related to that funding and such accusation. So this reminds me exactly what had happened 10 years ago. Yet again, it has been sent to the MHA, whether they're going to probe it again on the similar case, because this foreign funding and FCRA designing of the software and application to receive funding was done by Ankit Lal, the then social media head team. So it was already storming. And if you remember, during 2015 campaign, that 2 crore bus that how the party received 2 crore funding from companies who were actually in loss. Yet again in 2020 assembly election, the foreign funding issue was raised. And yet again, just on the eve of the elections, the similar foreign funding and violation of FCRA case has been raised. So it more looks like yet again a political storm, but we'll have to see whether they're going to be again another probe by Ministry of Home Affairs and what comes out substantially as far as these accusations are concerned.
Ashutosh, thank you for joining us with all of those details.